Hi! In front of me is TCL 4DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then click on alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Now you need to set up an hour and click on the switcher next to repeat. After that you can tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Then scroll down and tap on the switcher next to vibration to turn it off or on. Then click on the switcher next to show weather. Click on go to set and select agree. Now select turn on. Click on while using the app or only this time. Wait a bit. And then click on the back button. After that, you need to select label and label your alarm however you wish to. Save it by tapping on OK and finally choose ringtone. Over here you can tap on one of the available ones and go back. But you can also click on add new and pick music from your smartphone by selecting one of those sources. I will go with music, choosing just once or always. Clicking on allow and tapping on music from your smartphone. Then select done at the bottom right corner and go back. Finally, save your alarm by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it, you need to hold it and select this bean icon at the top right corner. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, you can do that by clicking on those three dots at the top right corner and adjusting it however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!